Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, more carbon fiber. That's right. You thought we were done, didn't you? No chance. We are installing some more today, ladies and gents. I am so pumped to get this on the car because I want to do everything all at once. I want to get everything looking good. And today is the day. If you guys missed the last video where we added other carbon fiber bits, link will be in the description. Click subscribe, stay a while. The diffuser took a long time, but it's on because stock one's in my front seat now. And it looks so good. I can't believe how well it turned out. Yeah, today we're doing the spoiler. So this spoiler in particular is not actually available yet at the time I'm recording this video. But if you're seeing the video, that means pre-orders are open. Brand new from Carbon Imports. So if you guys like what you're about to see, click the link in the description, go pre-order yourself one. Also, what's really cool about this is we're actually using my pictures for the product. So go show Carbon Imports some love. Browse around, they have a ton of stuff for Audi, B8, B8.5, B9, B9.5. If it's on an Audi, it's probably on their website. Now the spoiler itself, super easy to install. Basically, all we have to do is clean the surface where it goes, isopropyl alcohol, and then it sticks down with 3M tape that's already on the spoiler. So super easy. It's already on the spoiler. So it's a really easy process. They make it super simple for you, which is really nice. Now I already ceramic coated the entire spoiler, so long lasting protection. It's a brand new part. I want it lasting a while. So I did my entire car in the Adams graphene ceramic about 2 weeks ago. Really loved that. Did the same thing for the spoiler and diffuser. Also, something really cool about the Carbon Imports, they have a little certificate of authenticity that's like in the spoiler, which is sick. I've never seen a carbon company do that before. So if you go to resell it for some reason, or if you sell a car and want to part it out, let's go over to Alex's house, get this thing installed. Again, installation is going to be 2 seconds, but nonetheless, I want to show you guys how it's done. Take some videos of the car afterwards and see how it looks. So this is really nice too, because it comes with the 3M already pre-placed. You have to go out to the convenience store and get some yourself. That was a cool noise too. One more wipe for good measure. We did waterless wash on the surface, so it was completely clean, and then followed it up with some isopropyl alcohol. Get the surface completely prepped because you don't want anything underneath. Anything that gets in the way is just going to not help your sticking. So,
yeah, all
right, moment of truth.
All right.
I'm just gonna go right up flush.
Are you? Yeah, let me know when you're good.
I'm
left,
flush.
right? Okay.
And I'm like right on.
Yeah, I think I'm right on that corner.
All right.
I think I'm good. Just set down.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
And I'm up, I'm down.
All right. Let me see where you're at.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's like, I think we got it.
Yeah, we don't want this flying off on my ride back. No.
No.
This looks so sick.
Dude, this looks dope.
I like how it looks on the blue a lot. I wasn't sure how it looked
no,
like
it looks
the
really
contrast,
nice on
but
the blue. Especially because it's like the dark blue.
Yeah.
Take it.
Now that we just got our fingerprints all over it, let's give it a quick decon. Ooh. Yeah, it's like subtle, but
Yeah. I take it.
I do too, a lot. So the spoiler is on, obviously not going anywhere. And I really like the style of this one versus what a lot of people run, the kind of sloping with this outer edge spoiler. Still a good look. I just really dig this. So here's what it looks like from the side. And then kind of like, I don't know, just all the way around view, but it's not obnoxious from the back. It's pretty subtle, but that's how I like it. Just how it should look. So happy. Overall, the install, super easy. Like I said, this part took us 5 minutes. This one, however, did take a little extra. That spoiler does so much for the car, I can't believe it. I mean, something as little as that. Check out Carbon Imports in the description. I'm so happy with this car, man. Holy cow. The rear end is transformed now. I have my eye on you, Mr. Evo. Under the plastic, all cooped up. Man, gorgeous. Is that white interior? Black and white? Looks like black and white interior too. Wow. This is a little lighter than mine, but it looks so good clean.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Should I just get it to match my car?
Yeah, 280K.
Oh. Pass. Look at that wing too.
Look at that eco
Jeez.
boost. Wow, what a crazy looking car. That's ridiculous.
I think this is the one.
On this paint?
It's a little cooler than the S5. Quick look in the Evo. Absolutely gorgeous interior. The white actually looks so good in these cars. Just subtle. But it's perfect. Whew. You guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe if you're new, and until next time, adios.